Welcome to our tutorial on the strptime command in Splunk SPL. The strptime command is a powerful function that converts human-readable time strings into Epoch format. This conversion is essential for performing time-based calculations and comparisons in your Splunk searches. Epoch format represents time as the number of seconds since January 1, 1970, which makes mathematical operations on dates much simpler and more efficient. The basic syntax for the strptime command is straightforward. It takes two parameters, timestr and format. The timestr parameter is the human-readable time string you want to convert, while the format parameter specifies the pattern that matches your time string structure. The function returns a Unix timestamp, which is a numerical representation of the date and time that can be used for calculations and comparisons. Understanding format patterns is crucial for using strptime effectively. Here are the most commonly used patterns. %y represents a 4-digit year, %m represents the month as a number from 01 to 12, %d represents the day of the month from 01 to 31, %h represents the hour in 24-hour format from 00 to 23, %m represents the minute from 00 to 59, and %s represents the second from 00 to 59. These patterns form the building blocks for parsing various date and time formats. Let's look at a practical example of how strptime works. In this example, we use the eval command to create a new field called epoch_time. We pass the string 2024-03-1514:30:00 to the strptime function, along with the format pattern %y-%, m-%d%, h:%m:%s. This converts our readable date string into an Epoch timestamp. We then use strptime to convert it back to a readable format for verification. One of the most powerful uses of strptime is performing time calculations. In this example, we convert both start time and end time strings to Epoch format using strptime. Once we have both times as Epoch timestamps, we can subtract the start epoch from the end epoch to get the duration in seconds. We can then divide by 3600 to convert seconds to hours. This approach allows you to calculate durations, measure time intervals, and perform complex time-based analytics. Real-world data comes in many different date formats, and strptime can handle them all with the right format patterns. For American date format like 03/15/2024 2:30 p.m., you use %m/%d/%y%i:%m%p. For ISO format like 2024-03-15T14:30:00, you use %y-%m-%dt%h:%m:%s. Each format requires its specific pattern to parse correctly. When working with real data, you'll encounter situations where date strings might be missing or improperly formatted. The strptime function returns null when it cannot parse a string according to the specified format. It's important to handle these null values properly using conditional logic. In this example, we use the if function to check if the time field is not null before attempting to parse it. We then filter out any records where the parsing failed using the where command with isNotNull. To use strptime effectively, follow these best practices. Always validate that your input format matches the pattern exactly, as even small discrepancies will result in null values. Handle null values with conditional logic to prevent errors in your calculations. Use strptime primarily for time-based calculations and comparisons where you need the numerical Epoch format. Combine strptime with strptime when you need to convert back to readable formats for display purposes. These practices will help you build robust and reliable time processing searches in Splunk. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.